Hello friends, welcome to Codecrush Coding. In this video, we are going to learn another interview question, how to remove duplicates from ArrayList. So we already know ArrayList is a class which implements the list interface. And what are the properties of list interface? That it maintains the insertion order and it also allows the duplicate elements. So we need to remove the duplicate elements from ArrayList. So the first thing we can do is we can convert it to set, right? Because the set interface does not allow the duplicate elements. So we can convert our array list to set, but set is an interface, right? There are three classes which implements the set interface. So we need to convert our array list into one of the classes of this set interface. So which are these three classes? HashSet, TreeSet and LinkedHashSet. So we already learned the theory about all these three classes, right? So what will be the correct way, or what will be the correct class in which we can convert this array list to one of the set classes? So if we convert it to hash set, then what will happen? We will remove the duplicate elements, but we will not have the same insertion order as the array list because hash set does not maintain the insertion order. So we can't convert it to hash set because we want to maintain the insertion order, right? If we convert it to TreeSet, then what will happen? We will remove the duplicate elements, but again, it will convert it to a ascending order. We don't want that. We want the same order as array list. What will happen if we convert it to linked HashSet? We will remove the duplicate elements. Also, we will have the same insertion order, right? Because linked HashSet maintain the insertion order. Now let's see this in a practical demo. So here I have one class for demo. Inside this class I have one main method and we have declared one array list here. The name of array list is fruits and we have added the values here. The values are mango, banana, grapes, orange and mango. So mango we are adding twice, but as it is a list, it will store the duplicate elements, right? If I print this list, I will get here mango, banana, grape, orange and mango. So here we want to remove the duplicate element. Let's make one more duplicate element here. Let's say here we are storing banana. We have values here as mango, banana, grapes, banana and mango. So here we have two duplicate elements and we want to remove these two duplicate elements now. So let's convert this array list, declare here a set. So let's say we provide here set, which is of java.util package, and this will have the string values. So I will say a string, and let's say the name of set is fruits1, and then you need to provide the implementing class. So if you provide your HashSet, and here you need to pass the array list which you want to convert to the set. So here we have the array list as fruits. I will pass it here fruits, and then I will print here fruit1 this out, and let's say fruits1. So provide your message. Let's say this is our list. So this is our set converting, right? Provide space in between. Now let's run this code. So see, when it was a list, we were getting the duplicate values. Now we have removed the duplicate elements. So our problem is solved here. We have removed the duplicate elements. But here the insertion order is not maintained because we have inserted mango first, then banana, and then grapes. But here we are getting grapes, mango, and banana. That we don't want. So we can convert it to the linked hash set, right? Because linked hash set maintains the insertion order. So if I provide here linked hash set, this time the duplicate elements will also be removed and we will also maintain the insertion order. Here you can see mango, banana and grapes. So this is the ideal way to convert the array list to a set in which we have removed the duplicate elements. But if you convert it to a tree set, then what will happen? So it will sort the elements in ascending order, right? Let me remove this. This is our tree set now. If I run this code, what we are getting? Banana, grapes and mango. So here the alphabetical order is maintained, B, G and M. That's it in this video. We have learned how to remove duplicates from array list. So you need to convert your array list to a set which implements the linked hash set. That's it in this video. We will cover another topics in next video. Thank you for watching.